Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. Saptashi at this side. So this video is completely for the new Porsche 91 GT3 with the Roxy livery, and this is how the box actually looks like. And this particular model I purchased from Cars and Dolls. So they are a legit website in India, and previously also there was a release of Roxy. That was in 2024 in the month of October November, and right now we got the Roxy model. So I had pre-ordered this particular model in the month of January or February most probably, and this month they released it, June end. So this was like completely hyped model, to be honest. Over here you can see MRP 2000, but I paid 1600. So that is the MRP currently for normal mini GTs. Certain other models of mini GT in India will be priced at 1200 or 1300, the box version. I usually avoid the blister one because it's a headache to cut it out. I directly purchase the box version itself. The blister version is a little bit hectic. So let's unbox this. So this is how it looks like in the inside, and so you can see the Porsche license over here. I'll zoom in. So this is the officially licensed Porsche model. This you have the Cars and Dolls signature over here, and this is the TSM model signature. Let's open this. Alright, so this is how the blister comes in inside the box. Right, now to be honest with you guys, I don't watch the IMSA racing and all those things. I just like the livery, and to be frankly speaking with you, there is particularly no point paying 2000 or 2500 for a mini GT. Usually the MRP of a mini GT in India would be around 1200 or 1300, and if it's a very high end, like a really hyped up model, for example this one, and even before this the Roxy one, it's worth paying 1500 or 1600 for it. There is no way or no point in paying more than 2000 or 1700, 1800 like that. Usually 1700 or 1800 Indian rupees it's the price for the blister versions. So now let's deep dive into this. I'll use a toothpick for you guys to see. Okay, so you have the details of air intake over here. I'll zoom in so it's better for you guys to see. So I really like printed tires. You have Michelin logo printed. All the wheels are rolling. Mini GT tires are rolling generally. Yes. So you have the Porsche license details over here. You have the fender details in here, and also in the back side you have the spoiler. All the back side of the spoiler is over here is GT3 printed. You have the silencer details in here. Now the side view mirrors are made of rubber, as you can see. There is no glass over here. It's completely made of rubber. The tail light is glass. The headlights are glass. This is the 80th number. Another series is launching, and that this livery will be in pink, and over here it's in green. So if any folks, if you guys missed out on this particular Porsche, go for the next one. That ought to be coming by December or Jan most probably, but considering mini GT, it will be getting delayed by another quarter. So you have the roll cage over here. You have the dashboard details. You have the wiper. You have Porsche mentioned over here, and this is the classic livery. So this car participated in the IMSA racing, and this is kind of hyped up car. To be honest with you guys, I don't watch those racing shows, and I just like the livery of this model, and that's the reason I purchased it. I got a duplicate of this. I sold it off in my Bangalore WhatsApp group for a particular member, so that any person who missed out on this particular casting gets it at MRP itself. There's literally no point in paying more than that. So if you look at sideways, looks really cool, to be honest. You have the, what do you call this, the foot of the dinosaur over here. You have the hand. Other details I'll show you. Let's zoom in. I hope you guys can see. So you have two silencers over here. The tail lights are glass. You have GT mentioned over here. You have certain logos. It's very small. There's Michelin, which I can understand. The other ones are really tiny. This is the roll cage inside. That's how it looks from side. So the roll cage, you can see it's completely visible. In the front, you see the tiny logo of Porsche. You see the teeth over here. The front bumper, I'm not sure, it's painted in carbon. Looks like carbon fiber, but I'm not sure if it is, because certain kind of house models have been in carbon print, and a new one is also again launching. I'm not sure which is the exact date. This is the Roxy, which everybody is going crazy about. Oh, you have the motor logo over here. It's a tiny detail. Over here, Michelin logo. This is how the base looks like. I hope it is visible. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing it screwed. I like the Hot Wheels ones. So yes, this is a rubber tire. So do let me know about your liking about this particular model, and have you collected this particular car. If you have missed out, not an issue. You can definitely go for the next one that is coming in. Most probably that is going to get launched in January or December, maybe post that as well, considering mini GT. But yes, getting this one and Roxy, it's a good in your collection. I personally don't collect Porsches, but I only collected this one and Roxy, another one with the Cooler Master livery, just because of the livery design, nothing else. Apart from that, that's it. So let me know in the comments if you like this particular model, or if you got it, and if you need any help in sourcing out this particular model, let me know. I'll try to help you guys as soon as possible. Thank you.